We are at the Aquarium of the Pacific, and today we're checking out the Festival of Human Abilities. The first thing we watch is the wheelchair dance, which is by the dance group The Rolettes. They also offer a dancing class this weekend at the Aquarium, which is for both disabled and non-disabled that are welcome to join. The next thing we're watching is taiko drumming from LA Taiko. We're back at the Blue Cavern about an hour later, and now we're going to watch the Love in Motion signing choir. Lastly, we're going to the Ocean Theater to watch adaptive scuba diving.
I'm Jim Elliott, founder and president of Dive Heart. Thanks for coming. Tracy is a Navy veteran, has ALS, which is also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. So it's kind of a degenerative illness or disease. In this video, you'll see she's a wheelchair user, and she went from using traditional scuba with a mask and a regulator to using a full face mask.
There's an unconscious bias that I think most of us carry when we see someone who's disabled, and with speech it's even worse. They tend to maybe not think the same of them, a little bit less. It's almost like they kind of forget I'm a human sometimes, you know. But with this team, they weren't like that. They were talking to me one-on-one, and they were teasing me, which was awesome. You know, making fun of me. Yes, please, I'm one of you, dive buddies, you know. And so it was not only this experience of diving, but also the camaraderie and belonging. Getting in the water is so liberating, because when I'm down there, I no longer am worried about hurting myself, falling, or all that clumsiness, and I'm free. I'm free. I feel like when I'm diving, I'm flying. You know, there's nothing to pull me down, and I can breathe in and out to just where I am in the water column. I am in control of that, and it just feels so good.
And that was the Festival of Human Abilities at the Aquarium of the Pacific. I remember coming here 7 years ago and we made wheelchair art, and we also saw Cody Lee, which was a piano player that won America's Got Talent. And this time I think my favorite part was watching the scuba diving presentation and seeing all those disabled people still be able to find a way to make scuba diving part of their identity. Overall, everything we saw today was super inspiring, and it just made me happy seeing all these different people. Even though they're disabled, they found ways to make their talents shine. This is an annual event in January, so make sure you check it out next year.